The last trick to progress even faster is to work on balancing drills. For those a part of the program, you know that we like to do lower body balancing on beams or on rails, very similar that you would see in parkour. That's because we want to work on our lower body as well. And we know that balancing can be a limiting factor in the pistol squats. There is a lot of regular movements that you do in our traditional fitness in which being able to balance your own body is not a limiting factor, is not something that you train. So I strongly suggest that on your skills days that you also work on your balance. That means balancing on one leg, balancing with one leg where the other one is at different positions, where you're at different elevations, so you're squatted, you're higher up, and also doing it with your eyes closed. Then slowly going on other surfaces, such as a piece of wood, a beam, or even a bar. The